Americans weigh in on what they start to panic about their phone's battery percentage, and the volatility on the Wall Street continues. Jane King is at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more in today's Morning Business Report.
Good morning. Stocks continue their wild ride as the White House confirms that tariffs on Chinese imports now effectively total 145%. Now, the fact that the world's two largest economies are essentially at economic war is spooking investors. Both sides could be settling in for a protracted dispute that could last months. Well, inflation cooled to a 6-month low in March. Energy prices, especially gasoline, dropped sharply, and that dragged down the entire inflation reading. But the uncertainty of tariffs and the impact on prices could send inflation back up again. The Dow fell 1,000 points yesterday after the historic rally in the previous session. Despite the tumultuous week, the three major stock averages in the U.S. are on pace for solid gains. Well, bank earnings begin today. We hear from Wells Fargo, JP Chase, and Morgan Stanley. Bank of America reports next week. So we're going to be watching for trade and the impact on the consumer, but also loan rates and deal making. 38% is America's panic percentage when it comes to battery life on their smartphones. This is the level of remaining phone that battery people reach before they start to worry or they look for a way to charge their phone. Now, the survey was conducted by Talker Research, and it found a third of Americans feel content waiting until the juice runs to below 20% before they find looking for a charge. And then another end of the spectrum, a quarter of Americans start to worry about their phone's battery before it's even dropped to half full. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Morning Business Report.